Povrat, Serbia 87 Golf, establish status, authority.
Air Serbia 87 Golf, Belgrade Airport, dobar dan, wind 070 degrees 8 knots, runway 12 right, clear to land.
And 12 right, Serbia 87.
Serbia 87 Golf, essential local traffic, helicopter south of the field, eastbound, well of the runway, 1000 feet.
Copy, Serbia 87.
Air Serbia 87 Golf, stand Alpha 1, follow me at Golf.
Follow me Golf, Serbia 87 Golf.
Belgrade Tower, dobar dan, Swiss 4 Alpha Bravo, established ILS 12 right.
Dobar dan, Swiss 4 Alpha Bravo, Belgrade Tower, continue approach, runway 12 right, wind 180 degrees 19 knots, gassing up 31 knots, report formal final.
Continue approach, Wilco, Swiss 4 Alpha Bravo.
Swiss 4 Alpha Bravo, continue taxiway, hotel behind, follow me.
Continue taxiway, hotel behind, follow me, Swiss 4 Alpha Bravo.
Air Serbia 4 Alpha, runway 12 right, clear to land, wind 150 degrees 6 knots.
Zealand runway 12 right, Air Serbia 4 Alpha.
Lufthansa 5 November Foxtrot, good day, Belgrade Tower, continue approach, wind 320 degrees, 14 knots, 1 departure. Before you landing, ATR entering the runway for rolling.
Lufthansa 5, the Fox, continue.
Please confirm QNH.
QNH 1 is 0.
QNH 1022.